So this is my workstation, my office. As you can see, it's a hodgepodge of wires and it's disorganized. I'm really not happy with it. A while back, I made a video on making cubbies, little drawers for the workbench in my workshop. I'll post a link in the description. I'm thinking about doing the same here. I have two monitors, obviously, and a laptop, and I have them on stands. And I'm thinking I will make 3 stands again, but in each of the stands, for instance, this stand will have 2 shelves for 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper. This stand will have 4 cubbies, and this stand, I'm thinking 2 cubbies. On one row, there'll be 2 rows, and on the bottom row will be 1 larger drawer, cubbies drawers. I'd like to have one long one that's kind of curved with a curvature, but that's semi-permanent. I don't really want to keep it permanent. I'm going to make it out of MDF only because I want to paint them white to match the desk, which means I'm going to have to prime them before I paint them. And I'm not sure if I want to use an aerosol paint or an enamel. So the dimensions will be the height 8.5 inches, as I mentioned. I'm thinking 8.5 by 11, a sheet of 11, so 11.5 width plus the 2 half-inch sides, so 12.5 inches wide. This laptop's 12.5 anyway. So the width of this laptop on all 3, the depth will be 8.75 maybe. So 8.75, 8.5 high, 12.5 wide, half-inch MDF. So what I'll do is I'll go to the garage, cut out the pieces, paint them first or after. I'll prime them, cut them, prime them, come back, we'll put it together, and then I'll decide if I want to use an enamel or a spray paint, or maybe I'll do that first. And hopefully this desk will become more organized in a short little while. Okay, I've cut all the pieces and I've primed them. My head's sticking up, doesn't matter. I ran out of the half-inch MDF, so I had to use 3/4. It's a little bit wet still, but whatever. So they're all cut. We'll put them together. What are the odds I've cut the pieces in the right sizes? My guess is not very high, but we shall see. Let's go to work. Okay, so this is going to be the top. Again, a light priming. I will spray paint them afterwards. One side. This is going to be the middle. And this is the other side, if I have the dimensions correct. Put this one on backwards, idiot. So we're going to have a shelf that hopefully fits into there, and it's a little bit wide, so we'll fix that. I didn't cut this to size anyway. Come on. Actually, put it this way, right? So that goes there. This one. I gotta fix up all the holes and then give it a good painting. Just hate MDF. I just hate it. I just hate it. You can always, especially on, I'm using a 1/2 inch MDF on the side. The brad nails are gonna wander. It's terrible. This goes in here. I should have painted these ones. Should have primed these also. Should have cut it a little bit wider, but we're good. So that's 2. Oh, I hate it. I gotta sand it down and paint it. And this one, need another one of these. Okay. This one will go here. This one goes here. Right? So I'm going to fill up the holes. I need to put a divider here. Let's put a small divider here. I'm going to make the little cubbies. I'll paint them and I'll come back and I'll show you the end product. I don't need to show you how to make the cubbies, do I? Maybe I'll make one. And there's a couple blowouts on the inside that I have to get rid of. So there's some holes to fill. I put this one backwards. Make the cubbies. And we'll put a drawer. This will be empty. We'll have 2 shelves here. This will be empty. I'm going to have 2 cubbies here, 4 cubbies there, and a wider drawer to pull out here. So a big drawer here and 2 small ones, or a big wide one and 2 small ones up top, 4 small ones, and just 2 empty shelves for loose paper. And it'll sit like this. So we'll fix this up, we'll come back, and we'll show you what it looks like at the end. So I have to say, really happy with the way it looks. The desk is now nice and clean. It's organized. There's no more, the wires are there, but they're hidden behind the stands. There's drawers for papers, for pens, pencils, hard drives, or the USB cords, the USB wires, all my little odds and ends, junk drawers. I was originally going to make them 13 inches in width, but I decided to make them a little bit smaller, so they're 11 by a total of 8.5 height. So yeah, that's it. Desk is nice and organized. Happy with the way it looks. I welcome you to try it yourselves. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon.